Gail. I'm running for trustee in Skokie, so come out and vote in April. But it'll probably be raining just like today.
Yeah. Do you have any agenda for people?
Oh yes.
For Skokie people especially?
For the Skokie people, definitely. I'm a community organizer by background.
How long?
I'm an organizer, so I believe in working with the people around issues that you care about. So my background is I've advocated for fair and affordable housing and economic development for the people and environmental sustainability and communities where you can walk around and have businesses just like this.
Do you have any message for our Skokie people?
Yeah, so my message is the Skokie people are great. I have great faith in the people of Skokie and all our diversity, every type, race, religion, age, everything, wherever we live, homeowners and renters. And my message is just to really get involved and have a vision for Skokie. Go to my website.
Involved in democratic process, huh?
Yeah, get involved in the democratic process. And Skokie, we have an opportunity with the new elections to start to work on a new comprehensive plan for the village. That is like a big dream plan. And
big
now
dream,
yeah. Yes, now is the time to start thinking.
Is it your first election? Are you are contesting?
Yes, this is my first election. Although I've been involved, I've been an advocate. I've taught public policy at Northwestern.
Can we know your name?
Yes, thank you. My name is Gail Schechter.
How to spell?
It's GailSchechter. I've lived in Skokie for 20 years.
Skokie, north of Chicago, Illinois, state of America.
That's right.
Yeah, because
I also am an executive director of a nonprofit in the city of Chicago called Housing Opportunities and Maintenance for the Elderly.
Non-profit NFO like, huh?
So I run an organization that does services and housing for low-income seniors.
Wow, excellent, excellent.
I feel that I am well equipped to...
If any Skokie or people like to contact with you, then would you like to share your phone number?
Yes. First, they can go to my website.
What's your website? Yeah.
My website.
Oh, are they working for you too, huh?
Yeah, they're just friends.
Hi.
Other Skokie residents.
You are all participating for election, huh?
Yeah.
For trustee.
Yes, Gail is incredible. I know this personally. She is just a heart of gold.
1 year?
What's that?
How long do you know each
Gail?
other?
I've known Gail, I don't know, maybe a year and a half.
Wow,
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
But she's done more for people who I know who are special to me than I would ever expect.
And what's your name, please?
My name is Vicki Wolfinger. I'm also
Spell your name.
Wolfinger is Wolfinger, and I'm also running for District 73 and a half school board.
Wow, you are too, huh?
And current school board member.
And you?
Hi, my name is
Oh, currently, what did you say? Currently, she is board member of?
school board member. School board member.
Oh, our grandchildren here too.
Oh, you do, yeah.
Yeah, what you saying? What's
Hi,
your
my
name?
name is Ilana Jacobs. I am a resident here in 73 and a half, District 3. I am a current 219 school board member for the high school, Niles North, Niles West, Central,
Wow.
and Bridges. My term is up. I'm running for 73.
A lot of our
school
children
board.
are studying there.
But really, I'm here. I've been helping with the taco truck for what, at least 7 years, maybe?
7 years.
Yeah, I've been running this
Yep.
taco truck since the 2016 election.
Taco truck.
I've known Gail, I think for at least 5 years, mostly through housing justice before and referendums and other sort of important stuff to uplift residents of Niles Township and beyond. So I'm excited that Gail is finally running.
Wow.
You guys.
Excellent. And do you have any message for public too? Because you all guys for
Please vote. Okay. Please run for elections, the local elections, and make your voice heard. We want all the different 80 different languages represented on our government, our local government. It's not so glamorous, but it's more important. We make small decisions that, you know, impact Skokie and Morton Grove and beyond, and we want your voice and your story to be
Martin
heard.
Grove too?
Morton Grove, Lincolnwood, a little bit of golf,
All not?
Niles Township. Yeah, so help out in any way you can, and remember, these are still our neighbors. If you agree or disagree, let's keep learning how to dissent respectfully.
Yeah, and my trustee girl, I want to know your website.
Oh, yes. GailForSkokie.com. That's GAIL for Skokie.com.
.com.
.com. And yes, so go to my website, my email. Oh, yes, thank
Wow,
you.
this is the best.
You can use,
Yeah.
there's a QR code here.
Nice to
And,
see you. Good luck, girls.
And my working tagline, we're still trying to figure out is start with the people.
Excellent.
I like it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Then you are inviting your people to join you too for the service of people.
Yes. Yes.
Excellent. Have a wonderful day, and in advance, good luck.
Thank you. Thanks for